Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA T20 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all we have to find and open our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, so let me enter it. Now all we have to do is to simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And as you can see here we've got the full list of all previously visited websites, and of course if you want to you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it, and as you can see it immediately disappeared. But if you've got this list so wide, then it's not the smartest idea to do it manually. All you have to do is to simply tap on clear browsing data. And as you can see here we've got some basic and advanced options, and in basics we've got browsing history, so the thing we just saw, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. So let's say more advanced options. And if you'd like to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So let me mark everything. Here at the very top we've got the time range, so you can change it from last hour to, let's say, last 7 days. And as you can see, something here changed. We've got not the 3 items as it was before probably, but 11, and so on and so on. So if you are ready, just tap on clear data, and as you can see we got back to the history, which is right now totally empty. So we do not have actually anything saved, any websites, any passwords, and any autofill form data. So actually this is it. This is how to clear browsing data in your NOKIA T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.